Now let's walk through how to connect the camera to the app. First, it's important to know, you don't need to connect to the app for the camera to work. Connecting to the app is only needed if you want to wirelessly access videos, adjust settings, or use the live view. And it only works at close range, not through home Wi-Fi or remote access. To connect, download the Type S Drive app on your phone. If you have wireless CarPlay or Android Auto, you'll need to temporarily disconnect it. It can interfere with the connection. Next, go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings and connect to the camera's network using password 12345678. Once connected, open the Type S Drive app and select Minicam from the device list. If you're still having trouble, please contact our support team at info@typesauto.com. We're here to help.